Hello everyone, myself Tanu Nagar and my presentation topic is Introduction to the Cell Theory and Ultrastructure of the Cell. Basically, what is cell? The simple words or simple definition of cell is the structural and functional unit of life. The study of cell from its basic structure to every function of cell organelles is called cell biology. Then Robert Hooke was the first biologist who discovered cells. All organisms are made up of cells. They may be made up of a single cell, which is called unicellular, and or formed by many cells. This is called multicellular. Discovery of cell. Robert Hooke discovered the cell in 1665. He observed a piece of bottle cork under microscope and noticed some mini structures that reminded him of his small rooms. So he consequently termed them or defined them as cells. Later, Anton von Leeuwenhoek observed cells under compound microscope. He noted that cells exhibit some form of movement. As a result, he concluded that microscopic entities were alive. Types of cell. Based on the cellular structure, there are two types of cell: prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells means nucleus is not well defined and membrane bound structures are absent in prokaryotic cells. Ribosomes are present, which is 70s type. Prokaryotic structures or prokaryotic cells are simple in structure. Transcription is done by a single RNA polymerase. Now next our topic is eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cells means they have true nucleus and nucleus bound structures also present. Ribosomes are present, which is of 70s or 80s type. 80s type present in euglena. Transcription is done by many RNA polymerases. Now cell organelles. There are various cell organelles present in the cells like endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, mitochondria, Golgi bodies, plastids, lysosomes, vacuoles and nucleus. Endoplasmic reticulums is a network of membranous canals filled with fluid. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum: rough endoplasmic reticulum or smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum helps in the manufacturing of proteins, and smooth endoplasmic reticulums helps in the production of lipids. Now ribosomes. Ribosomes are small structures. There are several types of ribosome like 70s type, 80s type. Now next is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is also termed as Golgi complex. It is a membrane bound organelle which is composed of a series of some pouches like structures called cisternae. It is present in both animal and plant cells. Now plastids. Plastids are large cell organelles. On the basis of pigments, plastids are of three types: chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. Now nucleus. Nucleus is also known as the brain or main functional organ of cell. Now cell theory. There are various cell theories put forward. First is Sheldon and Schwann theory. They prove that both plant and animals are made up of cell and propose cell theory. They said that all living cell or organisms are made up of cells. Cell is the basic and smallest unit of life. Cell appear only in the pre-existing ones. Cell theory, there is an exception in this cell theory. This does not explain the nature of virus. Now Rudolf Virchow theory. They said that cell arise from the pre-existing cells. Ultrastructure of the cell, plant cell and animal cell. In plant cell, cell wall is made up of cellulose for structural support, and plant cells contains chloroplast for photosynthesis. There are some central vacuoles present for storage. Plant cells undergoes cytokinesis with cell plate formation method. Now animal cells have cell wall, does not have chloroplast. They have small or scattered vacuoles present in them. They uses contractile ring and divide the cell membrane in mitosis. Thank you.